Guys, check this out. I want to try Spanish food. Could you please book me a restaurant for 2 p.m. today?
Okay, how many people?
2 people.
I will book a Spanish restaurant for 2 people at 2 p.m. today.
Maybe I should go home, but it's been so
And all I have to do at the end is just press the reserve button and we are done. As you can see, reservation confirmed. Everyone has AI features, but this is truly next level. The iPhone Samsung killer just got better. I've been using the Honor Magic 7 Pro for about 3 months now, and thanks to what happened at MWC Barcelona, this phone is about to become a completely different beast. Enter Honor's Alpha plan. So in case you don't know, last year I made a video on the Magic 6 Pro saying that this is the iPhone Samsung killer, and well, the Magic 7 Pro has gone to an even next level with not just with its hardware but also the software and AI brilliance. It's got a 6.8-inch 5000 nits bright screen, one of the world's few flagship phones to have IP69 and IP68 water and dust resistance, 200 megapixel zoom along with all the rest of the lenses coming at 50 megapixel resolution, Snapdragon 8 Elite, 100 watt fast charging, and Honor AI. With everything this phone is offering, I had a pretty good real-life experience of usage, but somehow they've made this phone even better thanks to the unveiling of the Honor Alpha plan at MWC. Well, first up, we have the Honor AI Agent, which is an extremely powerful, smart GUI-based AI that is so intelligent that it can actually perform functions for you. For example, I asked the Honor AI to book a table reservation at a Spanish restaurant at 9 p.m. for 2 people. It literally did everything automatically for me with no manual operation. It found the restaurant that had not only the best rating, but also the one that was closest to my location so I can have the best experience. Apart from this, I also asked Honor AI to remove objects from images. For example, saying things like remove the person that is holding something or wearing a certain cloth, and it can actually identify that information and then act accordingly with pretty good results. I swear to you guys, I was genuinely surprised at how good this was working. I truly believe that the future is all about AI, where we can ask AI to do something for us. It will automatically perform all the operations for us without any manual input. This is truly a breakthrough, something that I haven't seen when it comes to AI on other phones, so I have to say Honor AI is onto something big. Now, speaking of something big, the Honor Magic 7 Pro, considering how good its performance was throughout the usage during these 3 months thanks to Snapdragon 8 Elite, and of course amazing battery life thanks to not only a big battery size but also Snapdragon 8 Elite's impressive battery efficiency features. Considering how good that hardware is, Honor finally introduced a major software news saying that starting with the Magic 7 Pro, we're gonna see 7 years of major OS updates for Honor flagship phones, including 7 years of security updates as well. Which means starting now, the Honor Magic 7 Pro will get updates until 2032. Meaning we'll see Android 22 running on the Magic 7 Pro with God knows what exciting AI features. Now at MWC, they also showed off Honor Image, which is kind of a smart term that combines the power of AI with the power of photography. So first up with Image, we have AI Super Zoom. Now, I've tested Zoom on many phones out there, but this may just be the king of zoom right now. So the Magic 7 Pro can take great zoom photos up to 30x, but then from 30 to 100x, it uses the power of AI to magically turn an image from looking like this to looking like this with a lot of detail. I never thought that we'll be able to take usable 100x images on smartphones in the future, but here we are. Now in my usage, this is a nice addition on top of already great zoom performance that you get without AI on the Honor Magic 7 Pro. You can easily get great zoom photos all the way from 1x to 30x. It's only beyond 30x that you can use the AI Super Zoom for that good performance. I've also been very impressed by the portrait mode performance on the Honor Magic 7 Pro. It allows you to shoot portrait photos on 3x as well as 6x focal length, so you get good flexibility. There's something called AI Enhanced Portrait, which is the industry's first on-device portrait large model, which works even in low-light condition, like you can see in this photo, where the difference in detail is quite obvious. Again, the default portrait mode performance is already good, but in those scenarios when you really need AI, it can actually make a difference. Now for the portrait mode color science, Honor uses hardcode portrait colors. So with this, you get 3 types of portrait colors like the black and white, hardcode color look, and hardcode vibrant look, which is my personal favorite. Other than this, we have some AI powered photo editing features like the AI eraser. This is my most used photo editing AI feature where I can effortlessly remove any unwanted object or an unwanted person from my image by just a simple tap. And compared to the other manufacturers, the result here is pretty good. I also like AI outpainting, where AI can intelligently analyze an image, judge its composition, and then seamlessly extend it, resulting in a pretty perfect looking image. Other than these AI features, Honor also have 2 other features coming very soon. One is AI upscale, where you can use the AI to basically upgrade and transform an old faded looking image into a crisp, vibrant, modern image. And the other one is Honor's new file transmission technology. Finally, we can now share images from not just Android to Android, but also with iPhone seamlessly by just a few taps. This has been the longest pain for anyone who has iPhone and Android, so finally we can solve this thanks to this new transmission technology. Thanks to this massive new update, which is soon to roll out globally, the Magic 7 Pro is going to be a completely different beast. Now, expanding more on my 3 months experience with the Magic 7 Pro, first up, design-wise, I would say the phone continued with what Honor has built for the past 2 years, so it's not that much change, which is a good thing because it still is one of the most comfortable phones to use thanks to its very rounded sides. As for the displays, it's one of the brightest, most bezel-less display that you can find on a smartphone out there, and still remains the healthiest display on a phone thanks to 4320 Hz PWM dimming number. Not just that, it's one of the only flagship phone that I've used this year that has a curved display. The software experience on Honor flagship phones for the past 3 years have been absolutely amazing. Since day one, Honor has locked in their animations. It's one of the smoothest phones that you can find on the market. It offers a ton of features and customization. Features like Magic Portal, AI Translation, Gemini Advanced, and built-in fresh themes. I honestly don't have anything to complain about when it comes to the software. In fact, we got even more features coming our way thanks to the new Honor Alpha plan. Battery life has also been really good, hands down one of the best battery performance out there on the flagships in 2025. Now coming back to the camera performance, apart from the AI stuff, the camera itself is really impressive. The hardware is really capable, especially when you utilize the high-res mode where you get the full megapixel action. Like, the detail is actually pretty insane. Having a 200 megapixel telephoto gives you an insane detail. I like how Honor's image processing is really optimal and natural, like it doesn't go over the board with over sharpening or over enhancing the colors or anything. They even fixed how they used to process skin tones, which I think is a big plus. As for video performance, while you can shoot solid 4K 60fps video and get natural colors, really no complaints there, but I still wish to see 4K 120fps option or even 8K video recording in the future. At night, the video performance looks solid, one of the best you can get on Android flagship phones. It's even a little bit improved compared to the last generation, which is again great. But again, I would love to see some AI powered features coming with the video just like we have with the photos in the future. If there's one company that can deliver that, that's Honor. Oh, I absolutely missed high megapixel selfie sensors that we don't get on other manufacturers. So you can actually shoot 50 megapixel selfies that look pretty solid with extreme detail. All in all, I have to say the Magic 7 Pro compared to last year is even a bigger step up. Not only it packs all the general AI features that we get with Samsung and Apple, but also something that no other phone can do with the Honor AI, that is, by speaking a command, it can do things for you with no manual action. That is literally the feature of AI where we can tell AI to do things for us automatically. This is just the beginning. I gotta say, with Honor Alpha Plan, Honor is embracing a difficult mission. They're trying to be a different Honor for the future, enabling everyone to embrace this new intelligent era. Plus, the Magic 7 Pro is going to age like a fine wine thanks to 7 years of OS updates. That's all for this video. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about the Honor AI with what you just saw in this video? I would love to hear your opinion in the comments. With that being said, I'll catch you guys later. Peace out.